Hello, good morning, class 9. In chapter 6, library methods, mathematical library methods, till now we have finished math.min function, math.max function, math.power function, and in the last class we discussed math.sqrt function and math.cbrt function. So min function finds the smallest number out of 2, max function finds the biggest number out of 2, POW power function finds the exponent's value of a number, SQRT function finds the square root of any positive number, and CBRT function finds the cube root of any positive or negative number. Today we are going to discuss a programming question based on library methods. Means how to use the library methods in our program to solve the mathematical problem. So we are going to discuss question number 7.1, which is a programming question. As an example, that write a program in Java to input 3 numbers. Question is to input how many numbers? 3 numbers, and display the greatest and the smallest of the 2 numbers. It is asking to input 3 numbers and find the greatest and the smallest of the number using the function math.max and math.min. So we will not use the conditional statement if or if else, if. We will use the mathematical library methods max and min to find the greatest number out of 3. So import java.util, public class greatest and smallest, class name greatest smallest, method line declaring the scanner class, scanner in equal to new scanner, system.in, the declaration of variables n1 in, n1, n2, n3. n1 for the first number, n2 for the second number, n3 for the third number. G to store the greatest number, S to store the smallest numbers. So we have declared how many variables? 5 variables. n1 for the first number, n2 for the second number, n3 for the third number, G for the greatest number, S for the smallest number. Now input the number, system out print ln enter first number. n1 equal to in dot next in. Okay, so suppose you have pressed 97. System out print ln enter second number, n2 equal to in dot next in. So suppose we have pressed 60. So 97 we have taken as a first number, 60 we have taken as a second number. Now input the third number. System out print ln enter third number, n3 equal to in dot next in. Suppose third number we have entered 99. 99 is the third number. So we have entered all the 3 numbers. Now first we will find the greatest number. What is the greatest number? You see, math.max function can find the greatest number, bigger number out of 2, not the 3. We have only 2 arguments. So what we will do, first we will compare first and second number. After comparing first and second number, we will get the biggest number out of 2. That number we will compare with the third number. So automatically the biggest number will come. Once again, so what is the logic? First we will compare the first and second number, so we will obtain the greatest number, and after getting the greatest number from first and second, we will compare that number with the third number, and same thing we will do for the smallest number also. So see this line, G equal to math.max n1 comma n2. So n1 is 97, n2 is 60. So what will happen here? 97 comma 60. So math.max 97 comma 60. Okay. So when this line will execute, automatically the biggest number is 97. So 97 will be stored in G. Okay. So what will be value of G? G value will be 97, which is the greatest number from 97 and 60. Now once again we will write G equal to math.max G comma n3. The G value is 97 and n3 value is 99. See, n3 value is 99. So 97 comma 99. So again math.max 97 comma 99. So among these two, which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 99. So automatically in the G, what is stored? 99 is stored. In the G, 99 is stored, which is the greatest number. Now the same thing will repeat for the smallest number also. So smallest number S equal to mat dot mean n1 comma n2. The mat dot mean n1 comma n2. The n1 is 97 and n2 is 60. Okay, so main function will find the smallest number out of 2. The smallest number is 60. So value of S means the smallest will be 60. Alright, now this value will compare with the third number. So mat dot mean S comma n3. The S value is 60 comma n3. The n3 value is 99. The 60 comma 99. So mat dot mean 60 comma 99. Which is the smallest number? 60 is the smallest number. So X value will become 60. So what we have noticed? The greatest value is stored 99 and the smallest value is stored 60. Without using if-else statement, which already have studied. Using the max and min function. So now output will be system out println greatest number equal to G. The G value is 99. The output will be 99. And the smallest number equal to S. The S value is 60. The 60 will be printed as the smallest number. Program done. So very simple. Once again, what was the question? Question was to input any three number and find the greatest and the smallest number without using conditional statement if-else statement. Using the max and min function. So what did we do? We have declared the three variables n1, n2, n3. We have input the n1 first number. We have input the n2 second number. We have input the third number n3. And first we compared the first and second number and obtained the greatest number. So greatest number came 97 stored in G. Again the G value, which is 97, we compare with the third number, which is 99. So automatically the maximum number is 99 stored in G. Again, for the smallest number, we compare mat dot mean first number comma second number 97 comma 60. The 60 is the smallest number, 60 is stored in S. Now this 60 is compared with the third number, which is 99. The 60 minus 99, minimum number is 60. 60 is stored in S. And printed the greatest number 99 and the smallest number 60. So this was example at how to write Java program using the mathematical library methods, write in practice. Thank you.